How to enable two-factor authentication on Battle.net. Our guys facing issues to enable two-factor authentication on Battle.net application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn on two-factor authentication on Battle.net, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your hosted email and password. If you don't know how to log in or create an account on Battle.net, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you get logged in into your account, just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Tap on profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see multiple options available at this point. Now just simply tap on authenticator, which simply refers to two-factor authentication. We are looking to turn it right. Just simply tap on it. Once you click on it now, just simply tap on enable now. Once you click on enable now, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn on 2FA on Battle.net application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.